Welcome to Recettes Cuisines, your go-to YouTube channel for all things culinary. Whether you are a novice cook looking to learn the basics or an experienced chef searching for new ideas, Recettes Cuisines is here to inspire and guide you. Each week, we bring you a delightful variety of recipes, from quick and easy meals to gourmet dishes. Our videos not only show you step-by-step instructions, but also share tips and tricks to make your cooking experience enjoyable and successful. We cover a wide range of cuisines, ensuring there is something for everyone. Join our community of food enthusiasts and embark on a delicious journey with us. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a flavorful episode. Let's cook with passion and make every meal a memorable feast.
Kale is a type of leafy green vegetable that is considered a superfood due to its numerous health benefits. One of its primary advantages is its high nutrient density, with 1 cup of kale containing more vitamin C than an orange. This nutrient is essential for immune function, skin health, and iron absorption. Kale is also packed with vitamin K, which supports bone health and blood clotting. It's rich in antioxidants like quercetin and camphorol, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Moreover, kale contains significant amounts of beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, crucial for vision and skin health. The high fiber content in kale aids in digestion, promotes regular bowel movements, and can help manage blood sugar levels. Additionally, kale provides substantial amounts of minerals such as calcium, potassium, and magnesium, which are vital for maintaining heart health, muscle function, and nervous system balance. Its low calorie content makes it ideal for weight management, while its high water content helps keep the body hydrated. Consuming kale may also reduce the risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease and certain cancers, due to its anti-inflammatory properties and nutrient profile. Overall, incorporating kale into your diet can contribute greatly to overall health and well-being, offering a power-packed nutritional boost with every serving. Kale is a leafy green vegetable that can be cooked in a variety of ways to create delicious and nutritious meals. To start, make sure to wash the kale thoroughly under cold water to remove any dirt or debris. Remove the tough stems and tear the leaves into bite-sized pieces. One of the simplest methods is to sauté the kale. Heat a tablespoon of olive oil in a skillet over medium heat. Add minced garlic and cook until fragrant, about 1 minute. Add the kale to the skillet and toss to coat in the oil and garlic. Cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally, until the leaves are wilted and tender. Season with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice before serving. Another popular method is to make kale chips. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius. Spread the kale leaves on a baking sheet in a single layer. Drizzle with olive oil and sprinkle with salt. Bake for about 10 to 15 minutes until the edges are brown but not burnt. For a hearty meal, try adding kale to soups or stews. Simply add the chopped kale during the last 10 minutes of cooking to ensure it retains its vibrant color and nutrients. Here is a list of 5 delicious kale recipes you can try at home. 1. Kale and quinoa salad. Combine cooked quinoa, fresh kale leaves, chopped cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, and red onions in a large bowl. Toss with a lemon vinaigrette made of lemon juice, olive oil, Dijon mustard, and a pinch of salt and pepper. 2. Kale smoothie. Blend a handful of fresh kale leaves with a banana, a cup of almond milk, a tablespoon of peanut butter, and a teaspoon of honey until smooth. Add ice cubes if desired for a chilled, refreshing drink. 3. Kale chips. Preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit 150 degrees Celsius. Wash and thoroughly dry kale leaves, then tear them into bite-sized pieces. Toss with olive oil, salt, and a sprinkle of your favorite spices. Lay the leaves out on a baking sheet and bake for about 20 minutes, or until crispy. 4. Sautéed kale with garlic. Heat olive oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add minced garlic and cook until fragrant. Add destemmed and chopped kale leaves and sauté until wilted. Season with salt, pepper, and a splash of lemon juice before serving. 5. Kale and white bean soup. In a large pot, sauté diced onions, carrots, and celery in olive oil until softened. Add minced garlic and cook for another minute. Stir in chopped kale leaves, a can of drained and rinsed white beans, and vegetable broth. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and simmer for about 30 minutes. Season with salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs. Enjoy these nutritious and flavorful kale recipes. To store kale in the fridge, follow these simple steps. First, make sure the kale leaves are completely dry. After washing them, carefully dry them with paper towels or a clean kitchen towel. Next, remove any damaged or yellowed leaves. Wrap the kale leaves in plastic bags or an airtight container. Place a paper towel inside the bag or container to absorb any excess moisture. Store it in the vegetable crisper drawer of the refrigerator, designed to maintain appropriate humidity levels for green vegetables. When stored this way, kale can last for about a week. Before using it, always check for any signs of mold or spoilage.